Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I really wanted to go get some Christmas decorations and kind of get the fifth wheel all festive for Christmas. But before I do that, I have some cleaning that I wanted to do, and I have a couple fall decorations that I need to put away. So I'm gonna do that and take you guys along with me. So let's go. But this baby is distracting me from cleaning. Look at him, he just has his little paw. Oh my gosh. Why are you being so cute? Yes. Okay, so like I said, I need to do some cleaning and get some of my fall decorations down. I don't have that many, but yeah, it's kind of a mess in here. What's nice about like living in this small space is that the one thing that's not nice is it gets messy really easily because it's just such a small space. But that's also a good thing because it's a lot faster and easy to clean up. I think this dude wants to go outside. Is that what it is? You want to go outside? Okay. So I'm gonna let him out and then I'm going to get cleaning. This looks so much worse than it is, but I just have like a bunch of jackets and purses and my laptop, like all that stuff. I just pile it onto this table. So that's not good. Gotta clean up that. I have a bunch of clean dishes that need to be put away, some dishes from breakfast. So yeah, I mean, it's not like shoes everywhere. It's not like the worst, but doesn't look good. There's Jack's toys all over the place. He has his like tennis balls that he steals from the dog park all over. So yeah, we're gonna get started with that. So here is the after. So clean, so pretty. Yeah. I am all done cleaning. So I was about to go shopping for the decorations and then I realized what time it is. So I have to take the pup to the dog park. So I'll take you guys with me there and then I will drop him off and then go shopping. Oh, you hear him? Do you want to go outside? Do you want to go to the dog park? This is so mean of me. Do you want to go? Do you want to go to the dog park? All right, let's go. at the dog park. There was a lot of other huskies there. Like there's normally quite a few just because we're like northern and I don't know, I feel like just people have huskies more often here, but there was a lot at the dog park. But yeah, I'm gonna go drop him off at home and then I'm gonna go and do a little bit of shopping. I'm like excited, but I'm also like, I don't know, I'm still getting over from being sick. So I feel like winded already, but I don't know, it should be fun though. I'm excited. Okay, just made it to the mall. I'm actually at the mall just to go to Bath and Body Works because they are having a sale on their candles right now. So I really want to grab a Christmas scent. And I might go into some other stores, I'm not sure, but definitely Bath and Body Works, and then after that I'm gonna go into TJ Maxx before I head home. So let's go into the winter wonderland that is Bath and Body Works. Okay, I got my candle and a couple other little goodies. Now I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx and get some fun little decorations. Let's see, I'm just gonna put on a little Christmas movie before we get started. Okay, it's really dark out here, but I got the lights all the way around and on the thing. I just think it's so cute. And then there's the wreath. It's so dark, but yeah, super cute. All right, we are officially Christmasified. Christmasified, is that how you say it? I don't know. So we got the joy and the wreath over the fireplace with our Christmas movie on. And then our pillows. I just put a regular blanket there because I have to wash the white one, but I think this one looks good. Maybe I'll put the white one over here. So yeah, I got my Christmas pillows. And then we got our little Christmas pug, December 25th. I feel like this will look better in the morning when the window is open and it like, you can see more. I just feel like it kind of looks a little boring right now. And then our little Cocoa and Cuddles little coffee bar area with the lights. And then we got our tea towels and our Christmas tree. Merry everything and happy always. I put the cookie cutters here. I thought this made the most sense. And then of course we have my spiced apple toddy candle burning. So that is it for this video. It was really fun. I'm really happy that I got everything all set for Christmas. I feel like this is the latest I've ever decorated for Christmas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope that you guys are enjoying Vlogmas, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!